Today we're going to put together the Lego 60279. It's called Fire Hazard Truck. Alright, let's see what this is. There's a fireman, the truck and all. We're going to put it together. Let's see what we can do here. Two bags of parts. Here's your instruction manual, City 60279. Yeah, we're going to build this. May build it two ways, stop motion and speed video. So please help support this channel if you can. There's links in the description below where you can send a donation to either Patreon or PayPal, or you can send us things to video. That would help a lot. Okay, we'll see you next time.